PayScale estimates that the average income for an affiliate marketer is around $51,700 per year. Low-tier affiliate marketers earn about $38,000 on average, while the top affiliates make roughly around $71,000 every year. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will talk about the methods by which affiliate marketers get paid. My aim is to post videos in an easy to understand language, so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will be giving you a surprise present. So let's get started. The first method by which affiliate marketers make money is the PPS method, or the pay per sale method. The pay per sale method is the most popular and standard method of paying affiliate marketers. In this mode, the product owner or product creator pays a certain commission for each sale by the affiliate marketer. For example, let's say Adam is the product owner and he owns shoes. The cost of the shoes is, for example, rupees 2000, and Adam promises a commission of 40%. Tom, an affiliate marketer, gets his unique affiliate link and promotes shoes to his audience through his blogs, videos, and email marketing. Tom's efforts were noticed and 5 people bought shoes from Tom's affiliate link. So let's do some calculations. The cost of the shoes was rupees 2000 and the commission for each sale was 40%. So for each sale, Tom made 40% of 2000, which is rupees 800. Since Tom made 5 sales, he made a total of 5 into 800, which is rupees 4000. So pay per sale method worked as I share in this example. PPS is the most popular and standard method of paying affiliate marketers. Okay? The second method of paying affiliate marketers is pay per lead. The pay per lead is a less common but old method of paying affiliate marketers. The pay per lead method works as follows. Suppose there is a landing page of some company with a lead form. If an affiliate marketer could get people to visit the landing page and fill up the lead form, he or she will be paid for each form submission through their link. For example, ClickBank pays affiliate marketers $1 for each lead form submission on their site. Another popular platform, Share a Sale, pays between 1 cent and $150 for each lead to affiliate marketers. Companies run pay-per-lead programs to increase the number of signups to the newsletters, free trials, and so on. Pay-per-lead method is common in real estate business where companies pay affiliate marketers a decent amount per lead for encouraging people to sign up for the quotation and free calls. If you want to explore the pay-per-lead programs, you can click the link I've placed below this video in the description box. The third method by which affiliate marketers get paid is the pay-per-call method. Through the pay-per-call method, affiliate marketers make money when people call up to book an appointment, be it a doctor's appointment or a call with a real estate consultant. Affiliate marketers are paid per call only if people call the company or the individual. The pay-per-call method is common in real estate and interior decoration business. We have covered the 3 modes of payment until now: the pay-per-sale method, the pay-per-lead method, and the pay-per-call method. I hope the 3 modes of payment are clear. If this video is providing you with value, please give it a thumbs up. Now let's move to the 4th method of payment, the pay-per-click method. The pay-per-click method works as follows. Suppose you have written a helpful blog on losing belly fat and you mentioned that a company provides products or coaching to lose belly fat. After writing the blog, you publish it on your website. People visit your website, read the blog, and click the link of the company. The company's website identifies the visitors from your blog thanks to their analytics. Okay? Once the website identifies the referrer, that is your website, you will receive a certain commission or a fixed amount. So in a nutshell, if people click the link of a company on your website and visit the company's website, you will get a certain commission. The amount can be a few cents or tens of dollars. And yes, you do not have to make sales to make money. You only need to send the visitors to the company's website. No sales are required to make money. Just send the visitors to the company's website and you will make commissions. The purpose of pay-per-click programs is to increase traffic on the company's website. Okay? Now we come to the fifth method by which affiliate marketers get paid. The fifth method is called the pay-per-action or pay-per-acquisition method. In this mode, the affiliate marketer has to convince people to take a certain action. The action could be calling a company, filling up and submitting a form, booking an appointment, installing a game or installing an application, and so on. Whatever action the company desires, if you can get people to do it, you will get paid. Another example of an action is booking a free hair spa or a free haircut through a phone call. Okay? Whatever action the company defines, if you can get people to do it, you will get paid. The commission or earnings through pay-per-action could range from a few cents to a few $100s. Okay? So, to conclude, affiliate marketers make money through 5 methods. The pay-per-sale method is where affiliate marketers are paid for each sale through their affiliate link. Then we have the pay-per-lead method, where if the affiliate marketers can encourage people to fill and submit a form, they make commissions. The third method is the pay-per-call method, where companies pay affiliate marketers for each call made to them via the affiliate's unique link. The fourth method is the pay-per-click method, where affiliate marketers make money for each visitor on the company's website through their link. And the fifth method is the pay-per-action method. In the pay-per-action method, the affiliate marketers make money when people perform the desired action like installing an app, booking an appointment, and so on. Now, as I promised, it's time for me to give you your surprise present. Since you stayed till the end, you are eligible to get my affiliate marketing checklist. It's a 10-step checklist that contains the elements and tools you must have to run a stable affiliate marketing business. I've placed the link in the description box. Click the link, enter your name and email, and you will get the magical checklist in your email inbox. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.